I mean, I don't know. It's just weird.
Oh wow, this is heavy.
Ready? How you, kid? I don't even know how I'm helping, to be honest with you. Oh, yeah, grab all that shit. Alright, just lay her down easy on that sucker. Careful. Yeah, careful. Yeah, they'll move a little. Watch that end down there. If it bumps it, it'll break it. They're almost like got a little pressure in them. They poof. So, all right, cool. Can you lay right here in the middle? Or will it reach that?
That's the max capacity of the thing right now.
Right, let me go lay it on the truck.
You want to pull it this way some more?
Yeah, let's go that way just a little bit. Just so it'll support that leg, maybe. There we go. Yeah, and then I'll go set it on my truck real quick. Shit, I might have to put it on the bed. Or on the flatbed of the trailer. It's bigger than what you think. Oh. That's all right. I knew it was gonna break. Good.
Got sat down on this screw and it, on this side anyway, not that side.
The neon worth money? And it's not working, it's working?
Yeah, I mean they're worth a lot of money, but this wasn't an actual neon sign anyway. Yeah, this Randy just made it, which is he did a good job for what he had there. Somebody spent a lot of time on it.
Like you gotta heat all that shit, right?
Yeah, it's all got to be moved around. But I'll probably just take it out there and take it apart. I just didn't want to leave it in there and then figure out where I'm going to put it. That thing hooked up good? Yeah, what the frick, dude? That sucks. Sucks. That's it, huh? Man. If we can leave. Sad.
No, you are.
I hate that shit.
Good boy.
I wish we were having as much fun as the time we're spending together was fun.
We're building to that. Yeah, that's fun.
And get through this, we'll start doing our movies. Get our shit right.
Yeah, you raised a good one.
I know. I'm just lucky enough to have him right now when I can.
I ain't got nobody to run to. Chase! Freaking G's got me.
Well, hopefully you're not in a headwind.
Probably will be.
Well, we'll get through I gotta get back from this trip. I can pick you up somewhere on the way home.
Do you know the date you're coming back?
Probably around the 20, well, let's see, how many days are in this month? I want to be back fairly early so I get a good, time to get that out of here and just be done with it. Or whatever we got here till the middle of the month. Stay here till the whole middle of the month. But, because I still want to stack all this on a pallet, take it out there and get the house out of the backyard. And what I'm thinking is I get back, we build our retainer wall. Then we pick that up and just take it right over. And so we might need 2 forklifts. It'd be a little work pulling them back and forth, We'll get her figured out. But be careful driving that. Hopefully it's gonna make everything gonna be all right. This will be the test of the time. It's not 12 valve, but it's a Cummins. 12 valve keep running, no? All right, we'll get your ass down the road. See ya.
That's good.
Thanks, boy. I love you.
Hopefully I won't have no freaking G stories.
Be careful. Is he going with you? I guess so.
Drive safe, man.
It's a big ass trailer, load of shit. Damn kid. Shit, man. That sucks. Shit, man.
Get back in the caddy. How's that Kash?
Yeah, probably. He's coming to get this truck, and then he's going to get something else. What's up? What are you doing?
OG gangster.
Pulling up.
So what do you got going? What kind of shit you got going? You got your truck sold or what?
Hopefully, yeah. Guy coming, he wants to come get it Monday.
Are you gonna go there right now then?
Yeah, because I got to come back here, load some shit up, and then get home, get in another vehicle, go to Speedway. Got to go to the Speedway to pick Wesley up.
Well, yeah, just put this one in there with that. That way it's out of here. And then I'm gonna take that backhoe home. I'm gonna head out here in a minute. Okay, later.
Drive safe.
See you, bud. Love you. Okay. Fuck this place. Guess we're about done to be done, huh? A few more vehicles to move.
Welded my sign down.
It's gonna take a little bit of work to get this shit back off. I mean, it ain't going nowhere. I don't think it's gonna take flight. I'm just trying to figure out how to tie it down. I'm breaking it.
Over there.
With a block of wood or something. Oh, fuck, I know where to tie this down. This piece of shit. I'm at the end of my give the fucks.
Yeah, I can tell.
What do we give a f? You know? I still gotta go unload all this shit tonight. Put it all away. Figure out what to do with my crap. My life is a... Just remember, the more shit you got, the more problems you got. But I like my shit. I like lots of shit. When I die, my kids got to sort through all this shit. It's great. They got to go through it all. All of a sudden, they'll have a bunch of friends they didn't know showing up, wanting to know if they could get their hands on some of my garbage. Be surprised how many people are like me out there. Anyway, until next time. See ya.